Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create responsive buttons that adapt to different content sizes and layouts. We'll do this with help of auto layout. If you don't know about auto layout, you can check my previous video where I explained what is auto layout and what are the different features. You can find link in the description. Okay, to get started, open Figma and create a new file, or open existing one where you want to design your buttons. First, let's create a basic button. Select the text tool from the toolbar and create a text layer. Next, select text layer and press Shift A. Now auto layout added to the text layer. You can see auto layout enabled in the right panel. Select this frame and rename to primary button. Now let's add properties like background color, padding, border, etc. For that, select primary button and in the right panel, click on the fill color and select some fill color. Now let's add padding. Left and right 30 pixel and top and bottom 20 pixel. You can give padding based on your needs. You can also add a corner radius. Here I'm adding 10 pixel. Now let's see how this button works when we change the text inside. I'm copying this button and changing text to add to cart. As you can see, the button automatically adjusts width based on the button text. This is because we created this button using auto layout. Now basic button is ready. Let's add icon to this button. Here I have a cart icon. So select icon and drag on the top of the button. When you drag on the top of the button, you will see the blue line. So that is the location of dropping location of the icon. So I am adding this icon to left side of the text. Now the button is ready. That's it for this video. I hope you understand how to create responsive buttons using auto layout. Experiment with the different style of buttons when you are practice. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a great day.